Hello again, another job which is also scheduled for interview tomorrow, July 5, Friday. For this one, the job description for this is a manufacturing and processing of metal materials. So this is located in Kamina district in Nagano prefecture. So we're looking for two people for each branch actually. So the salary for this is will be discussed during the interview because there are shifting schedule also for so different timings. So this is a manufacturing and processing of metal materials. If you are able to come, it is scheduled for interview tomorrow. So the interview will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So let us know. You can also comment down below, or you can also call our office number for more information at 0362068058. You can look for my name as Shana. Thank you.